Hi, welcome to East Rider channel. I made a movie this winter, the Stiga ST 5262 towards fighting against wet snow. It looked like the Stiga won, but I ruined the drive belt. So I went online to check how to change it. I didn't find any movies, but it's actually quite simple. However, it was not a cheap part. The part number is here. You can see this. If you need one, you can find it here. I'm not going to read up the numbers, but it was a $90 US, 900 NOK spare part or drive belt. So I had to change it, and I was wondering how to do it. Anyway, the old belt was worn down on one end because I was slurring too much, so it burned down on one part of it. It was not completely broken, but it was, well, as good as, but it did not it didn't do its job anymore. So I will disassemble it and I will show you how to change it. I will not completely remove it, but at least I will show you where and how. Just so when you bought one like this, then you know. So basically, the only thing you need to do is to remove this plastic cover. There you have your belt for this one and also for your tires. So I'll quickly remove these two screws here. This on one side. I do not think I need to take them completely off, like that. And then this one. Like that. All right, I'll put this one like this, and it should be easy peasy like that. Yes. There you go. So I had a flashlight. Here it is. So this one here is the one, and here you have the tightening belt. So you can see it's pretty slack, so you just loosen up these two balls, loosen this one up, and then you can actually, as you can see, you can just take it off and you squeeze it down in between that flywheel there, and voila, it's on. Easy peasy job. This one you loosen. The second thing you need to think about is to lower this one so it's nice and tight. That is for the forward and aft. This one you can tighten up there, and this wire you tighten up just there, and this is for the machine to roll around and remove the snow. So easy peasy. 2-minute guide for changing the drive belt. You see here immediately when it's broken. It's now brand new. It's working again. I will not say it's the best snow mover. If you have more money to waste, buy a Honda, but the Stiga, as long as it's light snow, it will do the job. Or maybe it was me just poorly assembling it, and that's why I had these small issues. But where I live, I don't use it too often. So that's the easy peasy. Screws off, out with the old one, and in with the new belt. $90, 900 NOK, 80 pounds. Thank you. Like and subscribe.